In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Gmail not connecting to Notion Mail. This may sound perplexing at first, but let's delve into it to clarify how you can effectively work around this limitation by using automation tools. First up, it's essential to understand that Notion Mail isn't a standalone service like Gmail. Instead, it operates as a feature within Notion that interfaces with existing Google email accounts. This means it's more like an internal email client that can only hook up to Google accounts. If you're encountering what seems like a connection issue, it's probably due to a misconfiguration in linking these platforms. Instead of attempting to connect Notion Mail directly as an independent service, a more effective approach is using Zapier to automate workflows between the standard Gmail and Notion apps. Let's start with setting up your Gmail trigger. First, log into your Zapier account and initiate a new automation, or Zap, by clicking Create Zap. Next, to pull in new emails from Gmail, search for and select Gmail as the trigger app. Choose a trigger event such as New Labeled Email that will activate your Zap. Connect your Gmail account to Zapier, enabling the necessary permissions for it to coordinate on your behalf. You should also specify the label you want to use in Gmail, like to Notion. Make sure you created this label within Gmail beforehand. Before proceeding, test this trigger to verify that Zapier can locate a sample email using that label. Once Gmail is successfully set up, you'll move to setting up the action in Notion. Start by searching for and selecting Notion as your action app in Zapier. When prompted, choose an action event you want Zapier to carry out, like Create Database Item or Create Page within Notion. Connect your Notion account and assign the relevant pages or databases you'd like to interface with. You'll need to specify the database where your email details should be sent. Here's where mapping your data fields comes in handy. Sync the data from the Gmail email, like the subject line, email body, or sender information, to match with properties in your Notion database, such as title, content, or email body fields. A quick troubleshooting tip: if there's an error message regarding fields like to or from, double check that Gmail source data indeed includes a legitimate email address. After everything is set, test the action to make sure a new item is created in your Notion database. If the test is successful, all you need to do is publish your Zap. Once activated, this automation will keep running seamlessly, integrating your email tasks with your project management system with no direct connection to Notion Mail itself. By using Zapier to bridge the abilities of Gmail and Notion, you bypass the need for a non-existent direct connection, making your workflow more integrated and efficient.